Dear friends, YIZUMI is proud to be present at the EUROGUSS 2022 for the first time. As always, we aim to provide best cost-effective solutions with leading technology. YIZUMI employs over 3,000 employees globally. Together, we build a strong and professional international team. This time, we will introduce to the European market the newly developed LEAP series die-casting machine technology with its state-of-the-art control system. The LEAP features a high-strength triplated design and a highly innovative, energy-saving, high-performance hydraulic drive system. In addition, our H2S cold chamber die-casting machine will be presented. With improved injection capability, enhanced shot control precision, and significantly higher casting repeatability. With our efforts, we support your best return on investment when relying on YIZUMI die-casting solutions. Now I would like to introduce some colleagues from YIZUMI Germany and the United States to provide some more insights.
As a one-stop solution provider to our customers, YIZUMI is dedicated to designing, manufacturing and implementing automated solutions for various molding applications. We offer solutions for die casting, injection molding, rubber injection molding and also high-speed packaging. Besides our 5 overseas subsidiaries in Brazil, Germany, India, the United States and Vietnam, we also have our YIZUMI Germany R&D Center, here in the vicinity of the well-renowned RWTH Aachen University. We connect scientific research with industrial productivity. In collaboration with our Central Innovation Center, YIZUMI Germany focuses on processing technologies such as additive manufacturing, special injection molding, jigsaw molding technology, as well as other lightweight and multi-material application technologies.
We, the YIZUMI team, understand that good quality, safe equipment combined with fast, reliable and high-class after-sales service is one of the parts what the customer expects from us. YIZUMI continuously invests in the development of know-how in the area of die casting processes, as well in parts and die designs. This enables us to have a fully understanding to improve our solutions for our customer in die casting metal parts. With our Product Process Application Center, in cooperation with top-class die manufacturer, we set up a platform for casting trials for you to carry out casting process research and development, and also we will test suitable peripheral devices for our future YIZUMI customer.
YGG develop Space A industrial pallet 3D printing to bring additive manufacturing on the next industrial level, to make it as easy as molding. For this, only as one example, we will show at the EUROGUSS 2022 the metal-plastic hybrid additive manufacturing. We will print directly in a high-speed process on stainless steel by means of a plasma coating adhesion layer.
Hi there, this is Klaus with YIZUMI. Did you know that our customers worldwide successfully operate more than 8,000 die-casting installations? And we add more than 100 die-casting machines to this impressive number every single month. YIZUMI's modular machine design combined with cost-efficient supply chain and a production environment 100% focused on quality, sustainability and continuous improvements, YIZUMI provides its customers best cost solutions with leading technology. Reinforcing our automated equipment solutions and a competent technical on-site service supports our customers' objective to reach best return on their investments with YIZUMI equipment.
We are very much looking forward to seeing you at the EUROGUSS Expo.